Welcome to the world-class manufacturing facility at KS Pithampur, Madhya Pradesh. Spread over a sprawling 40 acres, this plant plays a key role in serving India's road and infrastructure requirements. This facility, built in 1989, has an illustrious history of more than 3 decades for rolling out world-class construction equipment. This is a facility where the mighty and strong case crawler excavator CX220C is manufactured. This state-of-the-art facility, giving shape to world-class construction equipment, boasts high-end machines to perform a set of specific jobs. This equipment of world-class standard plays a significant role in helping the plant achieve the requirements in line with the globally set quality standards. This world-class technology helps in giving the welding joints of the excavator its long-lasting strength and robustness. To ensure that the paint of your excavator stays fresh and lasts long, the ultra-modern paint shop uses next-generation eco-friendly technologies for a superior finish. Best-in-class assembly line, where CX220C is assembled to face the roughest challenges in the real world. We undertake hours of testing to serve you a reliable excavator that is battle ready. The construction equipment manufactured in this facility by highly skilled technicians with the help of state-of-the-art technology and world-class manufacturing process gets distributed across India through a network of more than 70 Case India dealers and 200 outlets. Apart from the domestic market, the machines manufactured in the Pithampur facility are also exported to more than 30 countries. This plant is a shining example of our Make in India philosophy and will continue to make India proud.